Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 17 November 2020. As per you know, this is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exam. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. This was our previous three questions. We have to answer it first. Who is appointed as the new Chief Executive Officer of Panasonic? Kazuhiro Suga, Yuki Kusumi, Manisha Sharma, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Yuki Kusumi. So option B is correct here. Recently, Yuki Kusumi appointed as the new Chief Executive Officer of Panasonic. Okay, and previously Kazuhiro Suga served as the CEO of Panasonic. Okay, our second question was, who has won International Children's Peace Prize 2020? Saadat Rahman, Sunil Kumar, Rohit Joshi, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Saadat Rahman. Recently, Saadat Rahman won the International Children's Peace Prize 2020. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when National Press Day is observed? When National Press Day is observed? 15 November, 16 November, 17 November, or option D, 18 November. Can you guess the answer here? The answer here is 16 November. So option B is correct here. The day is celebrated to free and the responsible press in India. The National Press Day is celebrated in 16 November. Also, another day also celebrated in 16 November, that is International Day for Tolerance. International Day for Tolerance also observed in 16 November. Okay, and in 16 November it is celebrated because Press Council of India was established in 4 July 1966, but it is come to work in 16 November 1966. So the National Press Day is observed in 16 November. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who has won F1 Turkish Grand Prix 2020? Lewis Hamilton, Sergio Perez, Sebastian Vettel, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton, the Mercedes driver and he belongs to Great Britain, has won the Turkish Grand Prix 2020 at Istanbul Park to Turkey. Okay, it is the 94th win of his career. Okay, Lewis Hamilton, you can see here the image of Lewis Hamilton. Sergio Perez got the second position. Sebastian Vettel got the third position in this Grand Prix. Okay, and it is occurred in Istanbul Park, Turkey. It is occurred in Istanbul Park, Turkey. Next question. Who has attended the 8th BRICS STI ministerial meet from India? Okay, Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh, Dr. Harshvardhan, and option D, Amit Shah. The correct answer here is Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan attends the 8th BRICS STI Science, Technology and Innovation Ministerial Meet. It is the Science, Technology and Innovation Ministerial Meet. Okay, BRICS. The BRICS countries are Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. These 5 countries are the core committee member of the BRICS. Okay. Next question. India successfully test fired Quasarm system in which state? West Bengal, Odisha, Rajasthan, or option D, Andhra Pradesh. The answer here is Odisha. India successfully test fired the Quasarm. The abbreviation is Quick Reaction Surface to Air Missile. Quick Reaction Surface to Air Missile system, the coast of the Baleshwar, Odisha. It is launched from the Baleshwar, Odisha. You can see here image. Next question. Dada Saheb Phalke awardee Soumitra Chatterjee passed away. He belongs to which state? Gujarat, West Bengal, Odisha, or option D, Bihar. The correct answer here is option B, West Bengal. Legendary Bengali actor and the Dada Saheb Phalke award recipient Soumitra Chatterjee recently passed away. You can see here the veteran actor here. Okay. West Bengal is in news. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Chief Minister is Mamata Banerjee, and Jagdeep Dhankar is the governor of West Bengal. Okay. Next question. How many countries have signed world's largest trading bloc RCEP? 10, 12, 20 or option D 15? The answer here is 15. Recently, 15 Asia Pacific countries have signed the world's biggest free trade deal. It is led by China on 37th ASEAN Association of Southeast Asian Nations Summit, the deal called RCEP. The deal is known as RCEP. Remember, this question is very much important in exam perspective view. Okay, about 15 countries participate in this trading bloc, and the abbreviation of the RCEP is Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership. Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership. Okay, and India as a observer member attend this meet. Okay, next question. Lunar Lake in which state chosen at Ramsar site? Maharashtra, West Bengal, Bihar or option D Jharkhand? The correct answer here is Maharashtra. Option A is correct here. The Lunar Lake in Buldana district of Maharashtra has been chosen as the wetland site of international importance under the Ramsar Conservation Treaty. Under the Ramsar Conservation Treaty. Okay, you can see here the image of the Ramsar site, Lunar Lake. The Maharashtra is in news. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray, and Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Bhagat Singh Koshyari is the governor of Maharashtra. Also, Bhagat Singh Koshyari takes the additional charge of which state? Goa. Okay, remember Goa. Next question. World's first tram library for children launched in which state? Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu or option D Uttar Pradesh? The answer here is option B West Bengal. Recently, world's first tram library for children launched in Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal. Okay, you can see here the image. Next question. Panchatattva theme park inaugurated in which state? Odisha, Telangana, Jharkhand or option D Punjab? The correct answer here is option B Telangana. The Telangana Municipal Administration and Urban Development Minister K. Taraka Ramarao has inaugurated a Panchatattva theme park within Hyderabad's Indira Park. Okay, Hyderabad. Next question. Question number 10. Who has announced $1 million aid to ASEAN Fund? Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Ramnath Kovind or option D none of these? The correct answer here is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that in India's financial contribution about $1 million in COVID-19 ASEAN Response Fund to the COVID-19 ASEAN Response Fund. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced this. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. I hope you like the session also. Okay, this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section in a comprehensive way. Okay, please try to answer in the comment section in a comprehensive manner. Okay, our first question is, SBI adopt how many tigers of Zoo Park? Our second question is, former chairman of which bank P.G. Kekodkar passed away? Please try to answer in the more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for you. Okay, if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related Facebook and WhatsApp group. Thereby many students got help. If you think that the this amount of data you can got from this session. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And if you first visit educational wing, must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you. Have a great day.